Welcome, auto aficionados. Today, we're immersing ourselves in the world of automotive style with the Dodge Daytona Multicolor Illuminated LED Emblem logo, a game changer for your ride's luck. Feast your eyes on the mesmerizing display, showcasing high-intensity LEDs injecting vibrant color into your vehicle's emblem. Picture yourself cruising down the street, turning heads with a rolling light show. But this emblem isn't just about aesthetics. It's a convenience powerhouse. The direct swap installation ensures a seamless upgrade. And with 100% waterproofing and rust-proof features, you can confidently hit the road, rain or shine. Now, brace yourself for the hybrid controller, the ultimate game changer. With Bluetooth control and a wireless remote, customize your ride's vibe effortlessly. It's like having a portable light show at your fingertips. Did I mention it's compatible with 2010 and newer Dodge models? That's the cherry on top. Ready to amp up your vehicle's personality? Click the link in the description to snag your Dodge Daytona Multicolor LED Emblem logo. Smash that like button, subscribe for more auto awesomeness, and comment on how you'd personalize your ride. Stay tuned for more upgrades, and until next time, ride in unmatched style.